Assalamu alaikum, student of class 8. This is your computer class and my name is Sarajaz Khan. Today our chapter is computer network. The topics are terms computer networking and various type of networking. These are the two pictures of networking. Explain the term computer networking. Briefly discuss the advantages of networking. Computer is being widely used to communicating by connecting them together. This process of connecting computer is known as computer networking. A collection of computer that is connecting to one another is called a computer network. Advantages of network: it is always different computer to communicate with one another. It makes sharing of data and resources easier. It saves time and money. These are the pictures of various type of networking. LAN, MAN and WAN. The various type of networking. Various type of networking based on the number of computer attached and the area in which they are spread out. Networks can be divided into three types: local area network LAN, metropolitan area network MAN, and wide area network WAN. Local area network LAN. A small group of computers connecting in a localized area, for example in a building, office, etc., is called a local area network. Different computers in this type of network, like connecting together by physical media like wires, cable, etc. LAN are generally installed by small organizations like office, hospital, etc. Metropolitan area network MAN. This is a network of computers spread over a city, a town. This technology used in MAN is similar to that of a LAN, but it covers a large area as compared to LAN. A simple example of metropolitan area network is a cable TV network. Wide area network WAN. This network is spread across cities and countries are known as wide area network. These computers are spread by large distance in different cities, states and countries and are connecting to each other through cable and even wireless communication. This internet, which is spread throughout the world, is an example of a WAN. What we done in this class? Explain the term computer networking, briefly discuss the advantage of networking, and discuss the various type of networking based on their size and spread. Thank you.